Unit number 3, Geometry, Practice Set 3.2, question number 11. Find the number of the pairs of corresponding angles if 3 lines and their transversal is given. These are the 3 lines, X, Y and Z, and A is their transversal. These are the angles formed at the intersection point. We have to write the number of pairs of corresponding angles here. The angle 1 and 5, these are the pairs of the corresponding angles. I have given the names here as 1, 2, 3, 4 for each angle. Angle 1 and 5, 4 and 8, 5 and 9, 8 and 12 on this side. Then 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 6 and 10, 7 and 11. Like that way, 1 and 9 also are the corresponding angles, 4 and 12, 2 and 10, 3 and 11. So total there are the 12 pairs of corresponding angles. So option 3rd is correct. Question number 12. If the transversal intersect the two parallel lines, then which of the following statement is not true? Means which statement is false? All the pairs of corresponding angles are congruent, correct. Interior angles are supplementary, correct. Corresponding angles are supplementary, wrong, because corresponding angles are congruent. Alternate angles in each pair are congruent, it is also correct. So false statement is question number 3. Now the question number 7. In the adjoining figure, line M is parallel to the line M and it is parallel to the line L. So line X and Y is their transversal. If the length of AB is 10 cm, length of BC is 15 cm, the length of QR is 24 cm, then find the length of the PR. So this point is remaining that this segment AB here, the segment AB is called as the intercept. These are the two parallel lines, and if transverse cut, so that intersection point from A to B is the one intercept, and from point B to C is another intercept. So this segment AB or BC, PQ or QR are called as the intercept. And what is the property of the intercepts? If the B is the midpoint of the segment AC, then AB is equal to the BC. So we can say for the PQ and the QR also that PQ is equal to the QR if the B point is the midpoint. Here in the question it is not given that B is the midpoint. So we have to use the another property of the intercepts, that the ratio of the length of the intercepts made by the three parallel lines on one transversal and the ratio of the length of the corresponding intercepts, means AB to PQ, BC to QR. Corresponding intercepts made by the same lines on any other transversal are equal. Means these are the three lines and they have the two transverse. So with the transverse X, there are two intercepts as AB and BC. So with the transverse Y, with the same line N, M and L, there are two more intercepts PQ and QR. So ratio of the corresponding intercepts, means AB upon BC is on QR. This is the ratio, and this ratio is equal. This is the property of the intercepts. There are two properties. If the B is the midpoint, then AB is equal to the BC is equal to the PQ is equal to the QR. Means AB is equal to the PQ and BC is equal to the QR. And another property is that the ratio are equal, means AB upon BC is equal to the PQ upon QR if midpoint is not given. So here midpoint is not given, so we will write the ratio of the intercepts. Length of the AB, BC and QR is given. So put the values. 10 upon 15 is equal to PQ upon 24. After dividing, you will get 2 upon 3 is equal to PQ upon 24. So the length of the PQ is 16 centimeter. But in the question, the length of PR is asked. PR is equal to the PQ plus QR. We know the PQ now. So put the values. 16 plus 24 is the length of the QR is 40 centimeter. So answer is 40 centimeter, fourth option. Line M is parallel to the line M is parallel to the line N. X and Y is their transversals. If AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 9 centimeter and MN is 8 centimeter, then find the value of the MR. Same question is there. We have to write the ratio of it because in given information midpoint is not given. So we have to write the ratio. This is also a transversal. So AB upon BC is equal to AM upon MR. So length of AB, BC and AM is given. So put the values. After dividing, 2 upon 3 is equal to 8 upon MR. So directly you can write for our convenience MR upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 2. So length of because length of MR is asked here only. So we will write as answer 12 centimeter, first option. And the last question of this exercise. In the adjoining figure, line AB is parallel to the line CD and the line PQ is their transversal. So angle BPQ is equal to 40 degree and the angle RQD is equal to 20 degree. Then find the angle PQR. Such type of example we have solved already. This BPQ and PQD are the interior angles which are supplementary. So write as a equation 180 degree. But this DQP is divided into the two angles DQR and RQP. Here DQR plus RQP. From that DQR we know DQR is 20 degree and this BPQ is also given 45 degree. Put the values in the equation. After solving we will get the measure of angle RQP that is 115 degree. RQP or PQR same. Option number 3rd is correct. Here we complete the exercise.